Raj Lab, and today we will bring or show you a new demonstration of our feature medical history. And in the WP Medical Health Records software, you will get the medication history, and we will show you what features we have. So you can easily find all our products in our shop page. If you go to the shop page, you will see the listed products here, and you can choose your necessary products from that list. In the WP Medical Records detail page, here you see the detailed features for this product. We will not discuss all the products or all the features of this product in this video. Only we will list or display the medication history that we will cover in this video. Before starting the demonstration of that product feature, we will just go through about the medication history. So let's see what medication history actually, and for that we have a nice presentation. If you go through this presentation, you will understand about the medication history. We have collected this data from the Wikipedia, and we trust Wikipedia about their explanation of any topic. So regarding the medical history that we will collect is when a physician examines a patient, he actually asks many questions, and on the basis of the question, the physician understand what might be the causes of the disease, and that is called medication history. And for that medication history, we need a skilled technician or clinically experienced person to ask proper relevant question. And what might be that relevant questions? We have set up the format about the relevant questions here. The first question might be, why is the patient in the clinic or in hospital? Because that actually drove the patient to get the prescribed medicine for that cure. The next question might be the nature of the symptom or the concerns, or we can judge the past medical history, past surgical history, if he has any surgical incident during his lifetime. There are also family history we can collect. Social history also an important factor to consider, and their medications, of course. If they have any allergies, we must count down about their allergy symptoms also. After collecting all this data, we must have a proper review system. What is the review system? The review system might be a collection of symptoms that will drive us to the proper medical solutions. After collecting the medication history, we must prescribe a proper treatment for the patient. That is the main objective of medication history. After proper physical examination, we will give, or the doctor or the physician or the clinical person will give a proper medication treatment to the patient. It might be any medicine or test or surgical solution, anything. So that is the ultimate goal of medication history. And all these steps that I described, you can easily get those from our software WP Medical Health online medical history software. You can easily cover all these features. We have in the medication history section list of medication reports, and you will see for a patient we have the list of medication symptom name or the medication drug that he or she took, which pharmacy he took the medicine, the provider, the product name, which medicine he took, the brand name, and the status, whether he or she currently taking that medicine or not. And also we have the start date of the medication and the end date. This is the medication history detail. We have the detail for each medication. We have name, instruction shows why he took that medication, and what were the doses, what were the symptoms, everything. The detail, we can write down detailed information about each causes or symptoms, the user ID, the doses info, how many times we took it, how for how many days, and what are the measurement of that medication, the pharmacy, the national drug code if it has any national drug code, provider ID, and also we have the organization ID, product name, product ID. Product name is the might be the medicine name or any surgical instrument name. It could be brand name, which brand he used, and the generic product ID. Every medication or medicine has a generic product ID other than that medicine name. And we have the status of that medication, the start date, end date, and when this report is created, we have also that time into our system. So this is the detail for each medication. To add a new medication record, the patient or the staff or any doctor will fill up this form for each medication. So we have a self-explanatory form, each field we already discussed about, and we will collect that data from the patient, or the patient can enter the data by himself. And after collecting all this data, our software will generate some reports. Let's see the reports. So this is the report about the medication history, and we are showing the line chart about how many medication the patient took, and what is the frequency, and which date he took the medicine. We are showing also the bar chart for the same data. Here is the pie chart. You see the date are displayed on the chart. The pie chart and the radar chart is here, and the last one is the line chart. So we have all these reports for our medication history. To collect all this medication data, you can easily contact the Garage Lab team. The email address is listed here, and also the URL of the product. So get that product, WP Medical Health, and it will definitely serve your purpose. And Garage Lab team is always there to give you the proper support. So we have seen the product demonstration here, let's discuss about how the product looks like. Okay, so this is the quick demonstration. If you go to the WP Medical Health, you will on the left sidebar you will see the WP Medical Health here, and here you will get the list view of the data. We have to add new section, chart section, Google spreadsheet import and Google spreadsheet export. All the feeds are here. You can easily add your medical history from the Google. It is properly added. We have the pagination here. If you hover over that each medication, you will see the view and the detail. Add, delete. You have the proper action. If you go to the view, you see the detail here listed, and these are already discussed, so I'm not going to discuss it here again. And if you go to chart, we have the chart listed here. We have the bar chart, we have the pie chart, we have the radar, and we have the polar area. So this is the demonstration of the medication, and Garage Lab team is very much grateful that you have shown lots of support to the WP Medical Health product. So always stay with Garage Lab, and we will provide you new features every time. So stay with us. Bye for now.